Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous videos we have created a catalog called marketing, in which only marketing users can be there, and we have also the relevant resources to it. So we have added 3 resources. Now in this video we'll be adding the catalog owners to it. So right now I'm only the owner for this, so let's add a few other owners who can manage this catalog. So let's go back and coming to the users. So we have very few users, in which I think these 2 users are added into the group. So let's go ahead and create the other user. Let's keep it name as Ajay. So let's add Ajay. So I'll just keep those passwords. So I'll just add those passwords and so it's done, and just create it. So we have created a user called Jai, and let's go ahead and create another user called Kiran. So adding this, okay. Let me take the password as well, and create it. So we have created 2 users in this case, so which is Ajay and Kiran. So if we refresh this, those should be, as you can see, there is Ajay as well as I don't see any Kiran here. So let's refresh again. There you go. So after refreshing, we have got these 2 users called Ajay and Kiran. So we'll be adding those users into our marketing group to manage that catalog. So we'll be going to this identity governance catalog and the marketing that we have created, and here under manage you can see there is a section called roles and administrators. So click that. So we have different roles here. You can add catalog owner, or you can add catalog reader, or add access package manager, and so on. So these are different roles that you can add. So in this case, coming to this lab, I'll be limiting to adding the catalog owner who can manage this. So I'll add, and let's add a new user that we have created called Ajay. So click and select it. So this is how you can do it. So this is how you can check the role as well. So we can also add a catalog reader. Let's say we'll add a reader and we'll give it to Kiran and just select it. So you can see we have added 2 users called Ajay and Kiran, where Ajay is a catalog owner and the other one is a reader. So this is how you can add the roles to the catalog based on your needs and based on the user's proper authorizations. So coming to this video, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, adding the permissions to the users where right people will be getting right access. So yeah. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.